Welcome to today's video where we will talk about protein drinks for breakfast. What if the single biggest mistake you make every morning has nothing to do with hitting snooze? What if it's actually what you're drinking, or more importantly, what you're not drinking? Most people start their day with coffee, juice, or nothing at all, completely skipping out on the one nutrient that keeps your energy stable, your hunger in check, and your muscles recovered. That is protein. Here's the truth. Your body is essentially in a fasted state every single morning, and the first thing you feed it sets the tone for everything that follows. Studies consistently show that people who consume protein in the morning eat fewer calories throughout the day and feel more satisfied after every meal. But sitting down to a full protein-rich breakfast isn't always realistic, especially on busy mornings. That's where protein drinks come in. They're fast, convenient, and when chosen wisely, incredibly effective. Today, we're breaking down 10 of the best protein drinks you can have for breakfast, from ones you can make at home in minutes to surprisingly powerful natural options you may never have considered. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, your morning routine will never look the same again. Drink number 1, classic whey protein shake. Whey protein is one of the most studied and trusted sources of high-quality protein available today. A single scoop mixed with water or milk gives you around 20 to 25 grams of complete protein in minutes. Whey is a fast-digesting protein, which means your muscles absorb it quickly right after that overnight fast. It contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own naturally. If you want a simple, reliable, and science-backed protein drink for breakfast, whey is the gold standard. Drink number 2. Greek yogurt smoothie. Greek yogurt is a breakfast powerhouse that blends beautifully into thick, creamy, protein-rich morning smoothies. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt provides around 15 to 20 grams of protein before you even add anything else. Blended with a banana, berries, and a splash of almond milk, it becomes a satisfying and nutritious breakfast drink. The natural probiotics in Greek yogurt also support your gut health alongside a great protein boost. It's one of the most wholesome and filling protein drink options you can easily prepare at home. Drink number 3, plant-based protein shake. Plant-based protein shakes have come a long way and are now a serious option for anyone following a vegan or dairy-free lifestyle. Pea protein, brown rice protein, and hemp protein are among the most popular and widely available plant-based protein sources. Many blends combine multiple plant proteins to create a complete amino acid profile that rivals whey. A good plant-based shake can deliver anywhere from 18 to 25 grams of protein per serving with ease. If you're avoiding animal products, this is one of the most effective and nutritious breakfast drinks available. Drink number 4, milk and banana protein blender shake. Cow's milk is naturally rich in both casein and whey protein, offering about 8 grams of protein per cup. Blended with a ripe banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a scoop of protein powder, it becomes a powerful morning drink. The natural sugars in the banana provide an immediate energy source while the protein keeps you fuller for longer. This is a simple, budget-friendly, and deeply satisfying protein drink that works for almost everyone. Sometimes the most straightforward breakfast drinks are exactly what your body needs first thing in the morning. Drink number 5, chocolate peanut butter protein shake. This indulgent tasting combination is proof that eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing the flavors you love at breakfast. A scoop of chocolate protein powder blended with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter creates a rich, satisfying, and protein-dense morning drink. Peanut butter alone contributes around 7 grams of protein and a good dose of healthy, filling monounsaturated fats. When combined, you're looking at a breakfast shake that can easily exceed 30 grams of total protein. It tastes like a treat, but nutritionally it's one of the most balanced and powerful protein drinks on this list. Drink number 6, cottage cheese protein smoothie. Cottage cheese might seem like an unusual smoothie ingredient, but it's one of the best-kept secrets in the world of high-protein breakfast drinks. A half cup of cottage cheese contains roughly 12 to 14 grams of protein and blends into a surprisingly smooth and creamy texture. Combined with pineapple, mango, or peaches, the natural sweetness of the fruit masks any savory notes completely. The casein protein in cottage cheese digests slowly, which means you'll feel sustained and satisfied for hours after drinking it. It's an underrated breakfast option that delivers serious protein without relying on any powder or supplement. Drink number 7, Kefir protein drink. Kefir is a fermented dairy beverage that sits somewhere between drinkable yogurt and a light smoothie in terms of texture and consistency. It naturally contains around 9 to 11 grams of protein per cup, along with a remarkable variety of beneficial probiotic bacteria. Drinking kefir in the morning supports both your gut microbiome and your daily protein intake at the same time. It can be consumed plain or blended with fruit for a more enjoyable and palatable morning drink. Kefir is especially valuable for people who want a gut-friendly, natural, and minimally processed breakfast protein source. Drink number 8, egg white protein shake. Egg whites are one of the purest and most bioavailable sources of protein that nature has ever produced. Pasteurized liquid egg whites can be added directly to smoothies and shakes without any cooking required whatsoever. Just half a cup of liquid egg whites contains around 13 grams of nearly pure, high-quality protein. Blended with almond milk, a frozen banana, and a drizzle of honey, it becomes a surprisingly pleasant and drinkable breakfast shake. For those serious about maximizing protein intake while minimizing calories and fat, egg white shakes are an exceptional morning option. Drink number 9, oat and protein powder smoothie. Rolled oats are a nutrient-dense carbohydrate that pairs exceptionally well with protein powder in a breakfast smoothie. Just a quarter cup of dry oats blended into your shake adds fiber, slow-digesting carbs, and a creamy thickness to the drink. When combined with a scoop of vanilla or unflavored protein powder, you get a shake that fuels both energy and muscle repair together. The fiber from the oats slows digestion, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable throughout the entire morning. This is an ideal breakfast shake for people who want sustained energy and consistent fullness from a single drink. Drink number 10, hemp seed and almond milk drink. Hemp seeds are one of the most nutritionally complete natural foods you can add to a morning protein drink. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds contain around 10 grams of complete protein, including all 9 essential amino acids. Blended with unsweetened almond milk, a ripe banana, and a tablespoon of almond butter, it becomes a deeply nourishing and natural breakfast drink. Hemp seeds are also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, supporting both brain function and heart health together. This is a 100% whole food, plant-powered protein drink that requires no powder, no supplement, and no compromise on nutrition. And there you have it. 10 protein drinks that can completely transform the way you start your mornings. Whether you prefer something homemade and wholesome like a Greek yogurt smoothie, a gut-friendly fermented drink like kefir, or a completely natural whole food option like a hemp seed and almond milk blend, there is something on this list for every lifestyle and every goal. The common thread running through every single one of these drinks is that protein in the morning genuinely matters. It stabilizes your energy, reduces unnecessary cravings, supports muscle health, and sets a healthy tone for every meal that follows throughout the day. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines to make this work. Nature has already provided some remarkably powerful options. Start with 1 or 2 drinks from this list that appeal most to you, and build from there at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with someone who skips breakfast, and subscribe so you never miss a video packed with practical nutrition content just like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy.